Okay, dear students, today we are solving the problems of indefinite integrals. There are some questions. First of all, question number 1, integration x square minus 3x plus 4 dx with respect to x. As we know, the integration of x raised to power n is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. X raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, and the integration of constant, that is a 4x plus constant. So this is x raised to power cube by 3 minus 3x square by 2 plus 4x and plus 6. This is the solution of the this question. Now the second one. Second question is integration of 2 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x upon 5 raised to power x dx. We know that integration of a raised to power x, that is the a power x upon log a plus c. This is a power x. Now we have here, we separately divide it. 3 power x, 5 power x dx. Here we have 2 by 5 raised to power x, 3 by 5 raised to power x dx. Because the integration of a raised to power x is a power x upon log a. So here we write down it 2 by 5 raised to power x upon log a. Log a is there 2 by 5. Plus 3 by 5 raised to power x upon log a. Log a 3 by 5 and plus c. So this time we solve these problems. Clear now? Next one. The third sum is there. Question number 3. And the sum is integration of x cube plus 1 x minus 2 upon x square minus x minus 2 dx. So here students, whenever we have the power in the numerator more than the denominator, then we always divide numerator by denominator. In other words, ध्यान से सुना है, जब भी पावर न्यूमरेटर में डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होगा या इक्वल होगा तो आपको न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करना होगा। अब डिवीजन, या तो डिवीजन आप कर सकते हैं 2 और 3 वेज से। एक्चुअल डिवीजन मेथड, जिस तरह से हम डिवाइड करते हैं एक पॉलिनोमियल को सेकंड से, अदरवाइज फैक्टर कर लें, अदरवाइज कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट या ऐड करके फैक्टर्स करें। तो यहां पर आप देख पा रहे हैं कि आप यहां फैक्टर कर सकते हैं। x क्यूब प्लस 1 को आप a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब का फार्मूला लगाएं, a प्लस b a स्क्वायर माइनस ab प्लस में b स्क्वायर। सेकेंडली इसके फैक्टर करें, यहां इसे फैक्टर बन सकते हैं x माइनस 2 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 dx। तो आपने फैक्टर किए, फैक्टर भी एक तरह से डिवीजन ही है। वहां पर देखिए जो कॉमन फैक्टर कैंसिल हो गए, x प्लस 1 x माइनस 2 कैंसिल, सो वी गेट दिस वन। एंड नाउ वी फाइंड आउट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1, that is x plus c. This is the solution of this problem. Is this clear now? Okay, now we are on the next sum. That is very important also. The question is here, find out the integration of 7x minus 2 3x plus 2 dx. Students, first of all we convert this one in the form of this one. तो उसके लिए एक मेथड है, आप इसको लिखें 7x minus 2 इक्वल्स टू a 3x plus 2 and plus b, this one 3x plus 2 plus b। तो आप इसको इसमें इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे और यहां से देखें आप 7x minus 2 इक्वल्स टू 3ax plus 2a plus b ओके, यहां से देखिए, नाउ वी आर कंपेयरिंग द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ comparing the coefficient of x and constant. As you see, this is coefficient of x, this is coefficient of x. So 3a is equal to 7. So a is equal to 7 by 3. Here the constant term is 2a plus b. 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. This one minus 2. Now as we put here the value of a, that is 7 by 3. So we get here 14 by 3 plus b is minus 2. So here b is minus 2 minus 14 by 3. So b is equals to minus 6 minus 14 minus 20 by 3. So we get here the values of a and b. So students, we can write down that 7x minus 2 is equals to a यानी 7 by 3, 7 by 3, 3x plus 2 and plus b is there 20 by 3. Okay, so you can write down this one as this. तो आप इसको लिख सकते हैं, तो आप इसको लिखें यहाँ पर, तो इंटीग्रेशन आपका बनेगा 7 by 3 3x plus 2 minus 20 by 3 और इंटू में 3x plus 2 अंडर रूट. ठीक है, अब इसको प्रोडक्ट करें आप. You get here 7 by 3, 3x plus 2, इसका पावर 1 है, उसका हाफ है, तो ये 3x plus 2 raised to power how much? 3 by 2. अलग अलग दो पार्ट कर दीजिए, इंटीग्रेशन के दो पार्ट कर दीजिए, दो क्वेश्चन बना लीजिए एक तरह से. 20 by 3, 3x plus 2 इंटीग्रेशन और ये हाफ पावर. अब इसका आप इंटीग्रेट करें. As you know, ax plus b raised to power n इंटीग्रेशन आपको बताया, ax plus b raised to power n plus 1 upon a into n plus 1. तो यहाँ से देखें आप 7 by 3, 3x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 into 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 20 by 3, 3x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2, 3 into 3 by 2 and plus constant c. तो ये आपने फाइंड आउट किया कि 7 by 3 3x plus 2 raised to power 5 by 2 upon 3 into 5 by 2 plus minus 20 by 3 and this is 3x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 upon this is 9 by 2 and plus constant. So here student, what do you find out? 7 into 2 ये ऊपर चला जाएगा में, अब ये 3 into 3 into 5, 3x plus 2 raised to power 5 by 2, और this is 22 और 3 into 9, 3x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 plus c. So here you find out 14 by 45, 3x plus 2 raised to power 5 by 2 minus 40 by 27, 3x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 and plus c. This is the solution of this problem, students. Is this clear now? Now we have the next sum, that is the integration of tangent square x. Tangent square x. As student we know, we find out the integration only the secant square x in powers, either a cosecant square x, but we cannot find out the integration of tan square x directly, so we convert it. So here you see that we convert tangent square x in secant square x. The question is here, tan square x dx. You write down it, secant square x minus 1. So here you find out the integration of secant square x. Secant square x integration is tangent x, and integration of 1 is x plus c. This is the solution of this sum. Now we are on the next problem, that is the integration of cos x cos 2x, cos 3x. Integration of question number next, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x dx. Okay students, because these are trigonometric ratios in product, so applying some formula, you convert it into the form that we can find out the integration. To multiply and divide by 2, 2x, this is, and 3x. Now apply the formula 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B and cos 3x dx. 1 by 2, this is cos 3x, cos of minus x, cos 3x dx. So here we find out 1 by 2 cos square 3x. Multiply किया ना? अच्छा, cos minus theta is positive cos theta. So this one is cos x and cos 3x dx. Again you multiply it by 2 and divide by 2. So then we find out 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 cos square 3x and 2 cos x cos 3x dx. Students, we know that 2 cos square A, the formula of 2 cos square A is 1 plus cos 2A. So we write down it 1 plus cos 2A, then cos 6x. And here you apply the formula 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay? Okay, and this is dx. Next is there. So you find out 1 by 4, 1 plus cos 6x, cos 4x and cos of minus 2x dx. Students, we know that cos minus theta is positive cos theta. So we write down 1 by 4, 1 plus cos 6x, cos 4x and cos of 2x dx. Now we integrate. Now it is in proper form and now we integrate. And what do you find out, students? That you find out 1 by 4, integration of 1, that is x, cos 6x, sin 6x, by 6, cos 4x, sin 4x, by 4, cos 2x, sin 2x, by 2, 1 plus c, constant. So this is the solution of this problem. And now we have the next one. Next problem. Next is find the integration of two minus 3 sin x. Integration 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x. We separate it 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x cos square x and dx. So what we write down it? 1 by cos square x, that is the, you write down it secant square x dx. This is here sin by cos tangent x and 1 by cos secant x. Secant x tangent x dx. So secant square x, you know, integration of secant square x is tangent x, and secant x tangent x is secant x. So this is the solution of this problem, students. Okay, now we are on the next one. Next question is find the integration of sin inverse cos x, sin inverse cos x dx. Students, as you know that there is a property sin inverse sin theta is theta, okay, in the domain of this one. So you write down it sin inverse cos x को आप कन्वर्ट कर दें 90 minus x, pi by 2 minus x. Sin inverse sin this is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So now we find out the integration of it, pi by 2 यानी constant, इसका क्या होगा pi by 2 x और ये 1 x square by 2 plus c. Is this clear now, students? Next one. Next sum is find out the integration of tangent inverse. Tan inverse 1 minus cos 2x 1 plus cos 2x. Students, we know that the formula of trigonometry 1 minus cos 2a, that is 2 sin square a. So here, or 1 plus cos 2a, that is 2 cos square a. So you write down here tan inverse, this is 2 sin square x, this is 2 cos square x. Tan inverse tangent square x, tangent inverse, this is tangent x. This will become property that this will become x, and integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Okay students, now we have the next problem, that is here. You find out the integration of tan inverse tangent inverse sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. Applying the formula of sin 2a, that is sin 2x, what do we find out? Tangent inverse 2 sin x cos x, 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x, 2 is cancelled, cos x is cancelled, so it is tan inverse tangent x dx. So it will become x, this is tangent x, and integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Is this clear, students? These are the problems, depend on the indefinite integrals. Okay, thanks.